Watching on the Queffer boss represent the SWAT team, and I said, Dr. Love. Pretty girl storm. Mr. Fret them, Mr. Rough them, but Mr. Queff them. And about no. Dr. Love. Queffer. Man.
When I ask Christ, them can't do me no. Them can't do me no at all. No.
You need to start a motherfucking foundation to build up kids' ego. Wait, let me snap it. Kids that's born ugly to bad DNA, bad blood. That's the foundation you can motherfucking start.
Push just right, be bigger person. Weak people cause kids. Thank you.
You need to be worried about building up your kids' confidence. Because they look
After
like
she
you,
cross
bitch.
my kids them and taught them
Man, run up on a face.
My son ain't got no more worries on this earth. He paid
men tell me
his
such a week.
He
Man,
got
run
his
for
way.
a
Bitch, you need to get yours.
Oh, that hurt my feelings.
everybody know pussy. I push always a cause people kids.
Ass bitch. And you want to blame the motherfucking world. We don't give a fuck about you. Don't nobody motherfucking like you.
I did.
You just another ugly bitch on Instagram. Needing validation. You can't get it through me, bitch. Your first kid is not by that so-called husband. It's not. We don't know where your pussy been.
That wasn't.
For all we know, your father could have fucked you out.
Say weak people cause people kids.
You or your father. Because if your mother could stand you or your father, she'd have never left y'all. Remember, your father raised you, bitch, not your mother. So I understand why you mad at me. I understand. I understand you're a motherless child. I understand nobody never coached you, never taught you no better, and you full of hate. I get it. You still can't make a bitch like me fret. You can't make a bitch like me weak. You're the weakest fucking link, bitch.
Storm, you need a screenshot.
You couldn't handle the truth.
To your page.
You couldn't handle the truth. You don't validate what happened to my child. You're a fucking weak ass hoe. You picked up somebody else. You picked
One
up
more stop. One more snap.
You're a fucking sad ass sight.
And
you
shame
know
of you eight standards for talk about
Instagram and tell my son's story.
One
There's
more
no
snap,
shame.
Tanya.
Puss begged me not to tell. It's Puss that asked me not to say nothing. I want the world to know what happened to my king.
Just keep his
my
name alive.
Everything.
That's it. Just keep his name alive.
There was no shame there. My child was conceived out of love.
That's right.
His father is here every day. Bitch, you don't know a motherfucking thing about my motherfucking son. You worry about them motherfuckers that you need to give some self-confidence. Again, because they look like you. You's a weak-ass hoe. You weak, bitch. You the lowest of the low. You could not handle Keiko. You met your match, bitch. You met your match.
Today she
I ain't sad. Ain't one motherfucking tear in my motherfucking eye. You's a fucking crowbait. Toilet scum. Old tampon. Period blood ass bitch. That's the mentality you have. That's why you was friends with Brash and Diary. And I knew from then not to fuck with your ass.
Look how young.
Your feelings is hurt, bitch.
Friends with Diary.
We can't
So
fix your
what's that
confidence.
calling the
We
name
can't
for?
fix your feelings, bitch. You need therapy for that. IG can't help you, bitch. You need
So Candy, that me
You need
want
the therapy or all them fucking jobs you got. Save up your money and get your motherfucking face transplant. Because we can't save you.
One more snap for you, Tanya.
We can't save you, bitch.
Storm, I forgot circle them and put
Bitch,
on our
better
page.
switch. You ever put say bitch better switch?
Fucking cunt. Fucking scallywag ass bitch. You don't know motherfucking thing about my motherfucking household, bitch. You pay my Wi-Fi bill to tell me what kind of foundation the motherfucking start? When you need a whole fucking self-confidence class? 101?
That's why she don't show her. That's why she don't show her house and show herself. She don't really. She used to show herself like that because of that low confidence.
Murder!
But want to act like you got so much confidence, girl. Bye.
Mr. Ape going to come rub out the two on the
Hey,
blood
bitch,
clot.
first of all, that's why she was an imaginary person. We got it all fucked up, Bray. That's the problem. She was an imaginary person. And because she was an imaginary person, she had to confirm that she's a real person. You was fake. No identity. Stay a ghost.
Please, no kids. Let us be the bigger person, and don't curse our kids. Don't be like the haters. They
One
only
more
curse
snap that
kids.
feel.
That's what Bruce said. I ain't saying nothing about the kids.
1 year I know pussy on my feet then. 1 year I had.
And all those things.
Really?
So
she's a coward. You are a coward. You're fake. You're mad because I pulled your card. And you're mad because I saw you coming and I already knew what you was thinking. I just gave you the opportunity. See, I'd rather a bitch keep it real with me. Tell me the truth. Don't sit around me and be fake. Mm-hmm. So, before I allow you to sit around me and be fake, let me open this door for you. Let me give you this opportunity for you to be real. Mm-hmm. Show us who you really are. Will the real love standards please stand up?
Yeah.
And you have proved to us who you are.
Mm-hmm. Just like everybody else.
You showed your hand today, darling. Yes, you did.
Yeah.
And I don't have to say no more. You showed your hand. And I'm good. I'm confident. I feel good about what I did. Mm-hmm. I feel good about the choice that I made. Because the worst thing is to be around a bitch and you know they truly don't like you. Mm-hmm. They can't be trusted, Britt.
No.
They can't. Why would you want somebody around you like that? Mm-hmm. You can't be trusted.
Same thing I see with Brassy Sassy.
She was a fraud.
Behind scenes.
And we on to
and
you.
I run her like Uncle Dog. You never run my bitch.
Yeah.
Tired to tell you, my God, now
Period. And you in your feelings. And the only way that you could
never
feel like you defending yourself
tell
is by talking about some shit about my son's asthma. I'm glad you told the truth to me. Thank you.
I'm not making a smoothie. I'm gonna eat some fucking cookies, some fattening cookies. Fuck all that yoga parfait and all that healthy food. I only got one life to live, bitch. I'm eating cookies.
That you have to rub fully.
I'm real.
And wait there. Then Keiko son have asthma and sick and dead.
Okay, and let me
Keiko
tell you something.
Amanda about
I
her
don't even
sickness.
buy my kids.
Yo,
Don't know
some
nothing about no
fucked up
motherfucking
bitches, you know.
videos,
Yo,
no ravioli.
man. Say God at work, man. God at
My
work.
kids know about
You lose a son to sickness.
potatoes,
I cuss Amanda or
like this.
sickle
Fish
my
and grits,
pussy curve.
shrimp and grits, broccoli. Oh my God.
No.
Girl, please. You talking about some motherfucking canned goods? That's what my kids don't eat. Mm-hmm. Let me tell you something. Imagine First of all, eggs is some shit we eat 3 o'clock in the morning when you too lazy to make anything else, and you fry you an egg and you throw some lettuce, tomato, onion on it.
So,
and
auntie,
eat it. Straight up.
Keiko, Cosmanda boy,
Anytime.
sister cell.
Anytime.
As
I can
asthma
show
killer
food
fucking
pictures
son.
every day.
But
But I
must
ain't
curse.
black like you, Love Sanders. I ain't got shit to prove to these bitches. It's you that got something to prove. That's why you post food every day.
We don't want no cooking channel.
I don't want no fucking cooking channel. I ain't got time for that.
I'm a city girl. Birkin bad me, bitch. I ain't finna be cooking, slaving, bitch.
I ain't got time for that. That's you. That's the life you live. Ain't nobody judging you or grudging you for the life you live. That's the life you live. Love it.
Oh, you use insuring your smoothie? Oh, that sounds good, boo. You can send me the thing. I'll make that for my
Every
kids.
time I make a damn smoothie in the blender.
Already.
Every time I make a smoothie in the blender, it don't never come out right. It never come out right.
That's white people stuff.
The shaky bought all this stuff, blueberries, strawberries, mangoes, all these things, and it tasted horrible.
All you do is put all that shit together. Well, not all of it, just what you want. You know, it's no wrong way or right way to make a smoothie. It's just what your taste buds want.
Yeah.
But me, I just try to build people up. I really don't give a fuck about a parfait.
Big up yourself, Twig
If
Twig.
I really want it.
Parfait ain't nothing but some blueberries, some raspberries, some yogurt, add blueberries,
and I like granola on mine. And
then you put the granola, and then you add more whipped cream, and you keep it moving. That's like some 5-minute shit that we used to make for my patients at the hospital.
Who else?
The bitch in the kitchen used to give me 4 of them. Because I was the only supervisor in the building. So the bitch used to give me 4. My lunch served to me hot fried chicken. Bitch, I could never want your life. Your life could never compensate me.
Like I use nutriment. That nutriment too. I like to use nutriment. I make all the things
so like a head nutriment fatty. You know, for your blood clot.
Okay, say don't cook no cooking channels, cooking foods. Who else put 20 different meats in one sitting? How does she eat so much?
A true man. The girl cook too much food, man.
And skinny, bitch. And stay skinny. You might be right about that tobacco. Bitch, let me shut up. Keiko, I'm glad you got, that this shit off your chest and how you feel, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. But y'all know I will be back. My alarm went off. I gotta go take me a quick shower and go back to work.
I gotta do my thing right now.
Myself. I don't know how she can drink nutriment. Nutriment of the people.
Well, I can't say I'm done, but I'm done for right now. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see you all around.
Bye.
Nutriment enough of big fat people. Fatty.
Yes, people. That was it. I'm go for the things that what Tanya said me know. Cause we're gonna see who rub better now. A video that you send me?
Yeah.
No, okay, I'm not doing anything. I'm not cooking somebody. It's right there, Papa. See, look. See? And the glove. You see that? And his shirt glove if I bring him anywhere in the night time. Because remember in the night time, sometimes the cars can see you. So you have to make sure you buy like a glow in the dark shirt and stuff like that. Yeah, man? Yeah, okay?
And that me said too. Let's send that beat out our blood clot.
Okay, Sam. 1 minute.
Me never take
the dog don't name Sam. The dog named Eddie.
What's your dog take?
Yeah. The people them all she live in and she rent the house and the people them. So we man, so we till the people them get it.
Do not
dry them because I find that they get smaller. Oh,